Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Dear students, welcome to your first class of this new session. Dear students, I am Ritika Sharma and I will teach you English for this session. So, dear students, this is your English first book, that is your grammatics book. Dear students, there will be two English in class 2. One is English first and another one is English second. And this is your English first book and its name is Grammatics. So dear students, let's begin our class.
So dear students, as you have already seen your grammatics books, so take out quickly your grammatics books and just open it. So this is your first page of grammatics books. Then just open it and here is given the contents, the heading of the chapters in a sequence that is given in your book. This is called content, and then comes our first lesson. This is our lesson number 1, about word. It's given on page number 5. कौन से पेज पे है? पेज नंबर 5. So about word, my dear students, as you have already studied in UKG class about alphabets, and in first class also you have studied about alphabets. Alphabets क्या होते हैं? A, B, C and up to Z. इन्हें बोलते हैं alphabets. And words, आपने words के बारे में भी पढ़ा है. Words in Hindi we call it as शब्द. Okay, word is the combination of alphabets. When two or more alphabets combine, they form word. Okay, we will understand it better by reading these examples and the matter given in our book. So without wasting time, let's quickly start our today's class. See the pictures below and read the words that describe each of them. See the pictures below. नीचे दिए गई pictures देखो and read the words that describe each of them. And here is given a word that is telling about the picture. Okay, so what is this? This is a table. This is a television. This is a bicycle. This is a ball. This is a cow. And this is a kite. Okay, next, a word is a group of letters that are written in a certain order. What is a word? It's a group of letters. Letters means alphabets that are written in a certain order. जिन्हें एक ऑर्डर में लिखा जाता है. एक सर्टेन ऑर्डर मीन्स एक स्पेसिफिक ऑर्डर में लिखा जाता है. तो वो जो ग्रुप होता है लेटर्स का वो क्या कहलाता है? वर्ड. नेक्स्ट, अ वर्ड इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ लैंग्वेज विच हैज़ अ मीनिंग. वर्ड इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ लैंग्वेज. कोई भी लैंग्वेज मीन्स भाषा का स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट कौन है? वर्ड, जिसका कि एक मीनिंग होता है. एक मीनिंगफुल ग्रुप ऑफ लेटर्स को हम वर्ड कहेंगे जिसका कोई मीनिंग होता है, एंड दैट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ लैंग्वेज. वी कैन स्पीक और राइट अ वर्ड. अगर एक वर्ड है उसको हम बोल भी सकते हैं और लिख भी सकते हैं. लाइक काउ, इसमें कितने लेटर्स हैं? 3 लेटर्स. कितने अल्फ़ाबेट्स इसमें? 3. 1 2 3. ये ग्रुप बना है और इसने एक स्पेसिफिक मीनिंग दिया है. काउ का मीनिंग होता है ना कुछ. येस, काउ मीन्स इट्स एन एनिमल. सो वी कैन राइट and read the word. Any word we can write and read. Sometimes a single letter can be written as a word. I is such a word. But what happens sometimes that only a single letter, एक अकेला लेटर को भी हम वर्ड कह सकते हैं. जैसे I means मैं. हिंदी में it's called as मैं. तो I is a word. यहाँ पे I को हम वर्ड कहेंगे. Okay? We can make a sentence by writing a group of words in a certain order. अभी देखो, अभी हमने वर्ड बना लिया ना, अब हम सेंटेंस बना रहे हैं. सेंटेंस कैसे बनाते हैं? जब डिफरेंट वर्ड्स को कंबाइन करते हैं एक ऑर्डर में तो उन्हें हम सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं, उन्हें यूज़ करके हम एक सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं। सी बच्चा, डोंट बी कंफ्यूज। हमने पहले लेटर्स पढ़े हैं। लेटर्स क्या होते हैं? अल्फ़ाबेट्स, ABCD। जब उनको हम ज्वाइन करेंगे, कंबाइन करेंगे, तो वो बनाएंगे वर्ड्स। एक जब सर्टेन ऑर्डर में हम लेटर्स को कंबाइन करेंगे तो वो वर्ड्स बनाएंगे। फिर जब कई सारे वर्ड्स हम एक ऑर्डर में अरेंज करेंगे तो वो बना देंगे एक सेंटेंस। ओके, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस? Letters combine in a certain order to form a word, and different words combine in a certain order to form a sentence. Okay, see, letters are like alphabets. Okay, this you know this. Okay, then words in Hindi means शब्द and sentence means वाक्य। जब different शब्द, जब अलग अलग शब्द combine हो जाते हैं एक order में तो वो वाक्य बना देते हैं। Okay, this is the meaning of these terms. Next, words may describe persons, places, objects, actions or ideas. With the help of words we can know that is it a person, place, object, action or idea. Person means कोई व्यक्ति, place means जगह, object means चीज़, action means क्रिया और ideas. Okay, here are some example of words and the things they describe. Here are given some words and the things they describe कि वो क्या है। महात्मा गांधी, महात्मा गांधी is a person. Agra, Agra is a place. Book is an object. Eat, eat means an action, and respect means idea. Okay, so these are words and they describes as person, place, object, action and idea. Words made by joining two different words are called compound words. जब दो words को जोड़ के एक अलग नया word बनाया जाता है उसको बोलते हैं compound words. For example, foot and ball. Foot means पैर, ball means गेंद. ओके, जब इन दोनों दो अलग अलग शब्दों को हमने जोड़ दिया तो इट मेक्स अ न्यू वर्ड दैट इज फुटबॉल, एंड फुटबॉल इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम फुट एंड बॉल। मीन्स पैर और बॉल की स्पेलिंग जब हम मिलाएंगे तो एक न्यू स्पेलिंग बनाएगी फुटबॉल, जिसे हम बोलेंगे कंपाउंड वर्ड्स। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग। बट इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट, कोई भी डाउट है आपको, देन यू कैन आस्क मी, यू कैन कमेंट एंड आस्क मी, आई विल श्योरली हेल्प यू। So okay, let's have a quick revision what we have studied now. We have studied that a word is a group of letters that are written in a certain order. Word क्या है? Letters का group है, okay? जिसको हमने एक order में लिखा है उसको word कहलाते हैं। ओके, वर्ड इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ लैंग्वेज। लैंग्वेज की सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट कौन है? वर्ड। हम वर्ड को लिख भी सकते हैं और बोल भी सकते हैं। वी कैन स्पीक और राइट अ वर्ड। सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हियर कम्स योर एक्सरसाइज। ओके, सो लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. Number A is recognize the things given in the pictures below and fill in the missing letters to complete their names. Here are given some pictures, okay, and you have to write the letters in a correct order, in a certain order to make the correct word. First one, A dash 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 E. So this picture is of an apple. So spelling of an apple is APPLE, apple. Students write in neat and clean handwriting. जैसे मैम लिख रही हैं आपको भी ऐसे ही लिखना है, okay? See, you can see the spellings clearly now. I hope. Next, number 2, here is the grapes, a bunch of grapes. GRAPES, grapes. GRAPES, grapes. Next, this is a mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Students, write with me in neat and clean handwriting. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Next, R-O-S-E, rose. R-O-S-E, rose. L-I-L-Y, lily. L-I-L-Y, lily. Next, T-U-L-I-P, tulip. This is a name of flower. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Students, in the first row there were given the names of some fruits. Then second row, here are the names of some flowers. So let's see what's in the next row. On number 9, this is an animal. It's a wild animal. Its name is L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Next, G-O-A-T, goat. It's a domestic animal. G-O-A-T, goat. Next, B-E-A-R, bear. B-E-A-R, bear. Next one is M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. 13th one, P-E-N, pen. Next, B-R-U-S-H, brush. Next one, E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. 16th one is B-O-O-K, book. Here are given the names of those things which help us in our studies. है ना, ये चीज़ें हमारी स्टडी में हेल्प करती है ना. पेन टू राइट, ब्रश टू पेंट, इरेजर टू इरेज एंड बुक फॉर स्टडी. Students, if you are not understanding something, then please rewind the video, watch it again and understand it, then do this work. Okay, take out your page number 7 now. Seventeenth, these are the names of birds. So next row is the name of birds. On number 17, here is given an eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. 18th one, C-R-A-N-E, crane. Next, O-W-L, owl. Next, C-R-O-W, crow. Next, this, what is this? This is a chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Next one is D-E-S-K, desk. Next is stool. S-T-O-O-L, stool. And this one is S-O-F-A, sofa. These are the things that is furniture. These are furniture. Next one, number 25th, B-A-L-L-O-N, balloon. Next one, B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. Next, K-N-I-F-E, knife. And the last one of first part is P-L-A-T-E, plate. Students, I hope you are understanding this. Okay, so write in neat and clean handwriting. And next remaining exercise we will continue in the next video. Okay, till then this is your homework to complete the exercise that have already done. Okay, that we have already done. You have to learn this exercise and complete your work today itself. So students, this is your first class. of English first. Okay, so I hope that you are understanding it, and if you have any doubt, I am telling you again, please ask me in the comment section. Okay, I will surely help you. So dear students, this is only for today. We will meet in the next video very soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you.